Are you a working parent or wants to devote more time to the family and to generate extra income doing part-time job while at home? Hi, this is Nell with my lovely wife, Tess, currently working as insurance executive here in a beautiful island of Guam. As I am already nearing my retirement year, looking for any part-time jobs to keep me busy and to earn extra income, as the case may be, I was browsing social media and came across similar ad like this from a Christian couple from Canada, who was saying they found an online business that allowed them to earn extra income with their high-paying full-time job, paid $86,000 consumer debts, and became a full-time parent to their kid while earning on the side. Here is the short clip of their video that I saw that convinced me to study further.
Hi there. Do you want to do ministry full time, but don't know how to earn money doing that?
In this video, we're going to show you how we're able to sponsor two young people in our ministry to go to a conference and paid for their flights. Cleared $86,000 in consumer debt, but more importantly,
Guarantee a relaxing retirement for my parents.
so watch this.
Hi everyone, this is Dave and Roxanne.
Right now, we're just in Kananaskis, Alberta, although we're from Calgary, Alberta, but this is beautiful. Let's show them quickly here.
Yay.
We're at the mountains, full of snow here.
Yes,
Beautiful.
so beautiful, so relaxing. You should check it out.
You know, if you're watching this, you're probably looking for a solution like us many months ago. And although we make pretty good income, I used to work as a general manager.
And I work in finance.
And, you know, our dream was always to help Roxanne's parent retire, right?
Yes, because we moved here in 2004 from the Philippines. I've seen my parents work so hard, gave up their job, gave up their house, and just to give us a better life. And I realized that, they don't have enough for their golden years.
And we looked at our income and we realized it was only good enough for us and our future kids. And there's only two options you can always do. You look at your dream, it's big.
Mm-hmm.
Look at your paycheck, is small. Option number one is you could shrink your big dream to the size of your paycheck, or you could increase it to the size of your dream. And we chose the latter because we knew there was a solution.
Mm-hmm.
We just didn't know how. We were scrolling and we saw something like this in our newsfeed, and we clicked the link, right? So and we clicked the link, and it was the single best decision we've ever done in our lives, right?
Yes. I was skeptical at the beginning.
Yeah.
But I opened my mind and learned new things. I learned the power of the internet to leverage it, and we're not tech savvy. But
right.
because of the complete system that that was provided to us, we're able to learn how to start our digital business.
Since then.
And since then, thanks be to God, we're able to,
Fire my boss last
fire
week.
his boss and basically pay off our consumer debts, travel without worries.
And one of our passion is ministry. So it's so
Mhm.
amazing. We're able to sponsor two of our youth, paid for their flights to go in San Diego. And that was amazing.
Yes.
And, if you're even remotely interested in this, we're looking for people that are ambitious,
God-fearing.
coachable, and hardworking. If you're any of those, click the link, because as soon as you click the link, we're going to send you, it's going to open up. You're going to put your name and email, and then we're going to send you the information
Mhm.
so that you can start your very own online business.
Yes, and the amazing thing is you're gonna be assigned with a coach and a mentor when you decide to start your online business.
Like anybody else, we are skeptical if this is real. Being an insurance business, we deal with risk day in and day out. But after due diligence and further study, it convinced me to join and became an online entrepreneur too. So, if this resonates with you and who wants to earn extra income, or most importantly to help your family or became a full-time parent while earning on the side, this may be the solution you are waiting for. Just click the link below, sign up your name and email address so I can send you more information about this business. We are excited for you and hope to see you inside. Thank you and God bless.